Hello. How are you? My name is Sarah and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about PurpleBurn Pro before actually buying the product. So if you want to know more information about it, if it really works, if it is worth buying, I seriously recommend that you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to give you two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about PurpleBurn Pro is, be careful with the website you're going to buy PurpleBurn Pro from, because PurpleBurn Pro is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So, PurpleBurn Pro is good? Yes, PurpleBurn Pro is good. PurpleBurn Pro is the very first complex immunoslimming formula that doesn't just target specific weight gain. This proprietary formula will get your immune system on board, so it will fight fat instead of ignoring it. PurpleBurn Pro activates the immune process that leads to slimming through a unique compound called GHG that helps the leaves survive the brutal droughts and weather conditions of Africa. Combined with 13 other powerful ingredients, we believe this is the key to solving the obesity crisis worldwide. You'll start noticing improvements immediately. Because you will notice how light your body feels, and how much more energized you are. You will feel less bloated, and within the first weeks, you will start noticing slow but steady weight loss. But the biggest change you will notice is in your confidence, as you will feel like your body is finally working with you to lose weight, and weight loss is no longer a miserable struggle. This formula is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. You will once again be in control of what you eat, support a healthy weight loss process, and maintain the health of your digestive system. So, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with PurpleBurn Pro, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test PurpleBurn Pro for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for PurpleBurn Pro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, PurpleBurn Pro has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy PurpleBurn Pro from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that PurpleBurn Pro actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.